For our students that struggle with reading and writing, Googling can sometimes be a daunting task. If our students have difficulties with spelling what they are searching for or decoding what is on the page, how can they best utilize this tool? My name is Cheryl Farley, and I am an assistive technology consultant and owner of AdaptTech Consulting. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the hover speech feature to read the Chrome web browser. This feature is part of the premium license of Read&Write for Google Chrome. In this example, I have Googled William Shakespeare. In order to use the hover speech feature to have information on this page read aloud, first, I go to my Read&Write for Google Chrome icon and click on it. This will launch my toolbar. To move the toolbar, click on the plus, and you can drag and drop your toolbar. To turn on the hover speech function, go to the hover speech icon and click on it. When you do that, you will notice that it becomes grayed out and has a purple underline. In order to use this feature, move your mouse over the text that you would like to have read aloud.
William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist.
Students can use the pause and the stop buttons in order to pause and stop their text.
William Shakespeare Wikipedia, 8 December 10th, 2020 are that they present real human beings in a wide range of...
When students are done using the hover speech feature, they just click on the icon to turn it off. Students also have the ability to use the traditional text-to-speech tools. They can just highlight the text and click play.
William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor.
And they can also use the pause and the stop buttons. This feature is available to both the free and the premium Read&Write for Google Chrome toolbars. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you found it helpful.